GGM, the Great Glamour, is back again with this banana puff puff.
Job 1, job 2. That is how we used to call it back then when we were in the primary school.
Puff puff. Puff puff. Banana puff puff.
That is what I made here. Welcome back, beautiful people. Today I'm going to show you how I made this banana puff puff. Well, we call it puff puff, but in reality it is puff puff. That is P-U-F-F. Then P-U-F-F. If you like what I'm doing, please like, comment, and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not. I'll show you the ingredients that I use to make this banana puff puff. Meanwhile, I will leave everything in the description box, okay? Now I use 2 bananas. Peel the bananas and mash it. Make sure you mash the banana very well. Next, I will use this measuring cup to measure 500 ml of all-purpose flour. Then I'll add sugar, cinnamon powder, and then this is yeast. I will add 1 tablespoon of yeast and mix it with warm water. And then I'll pour it into the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 100 milliliters of leche, that is milk. I said it in Spanish, leche. Now you will pour the banana into the ingredients and mix. If you want to mix with a mixer, you are free to do so, but I prefer to mix with my hands so that I will be sure that there are no lumps left. You mix everything together, mix everything well, and then cover with a plastic film. Place a towel over it and set aside for an hour. Now we are going to fry our puff puff. I say it in my local dialect, puff puff. Now you scoop the mixture and be adding it into the oil. Make sure you are frying it on medium heat. If you fry it on low heat, it will soak up oil. If you fry it on very high heat, it will get burnt and the inside will not cook very well. So medium heat is the answer. And that's it. It's very easy. Of course, you can see that I try to explain everything, every of my recipe, explain it very well so that you will understand it, and it's very easy to make. You keep on turning it. When one side is cooked for like 2 minutes, you turn the other side, and that's it until it turns golden, and you will know that it is ready. Your puff puff is ready. Yeah, in Nigeria we call it puff puff. Spanish people call it buñuelos de banana. And my local dialects, in my childhood dialect, we call it chop one, chop two. Because when you buy one, you put it into your mouth, the sweetness and the deliciousness of the food will make you buy another one. So that is it. It is ready to be enjoyed. You see how it came out? Very, very, very wonderful. Just the color alone, I know you're already salivating. So thank you so much, my beautiful people, for sticking to the end of this video. If you liked the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and also share the video. Share the video so other people will also like and enjoy my recipes. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. Please do so. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, remain hydrated. I love you. Bye.